Maverick Indicators here. All right, so doing something I normally don't do, which is taking a trade in that 9 to 9:30 kind of time frame. But this trade was just too sweet to pass up. So essentially what we have here, if you look down here at the ultimate trading assistant, the Maverick Radar, we have an A+ setup on ES and we have an A+ setup on NQ. These guys like to run together. And you can see I got my alert up here that says all aligned. And man, we've been just coming up. This is what a clear chart looks like using our Maverick indicator. So I have an A+ setup to the upside. I just couldn't pass up. So what I'm doing here, sorry, I'm watching this thing pop up here. Let me tell you why we're in this trade, and I'm going to try and pay attention to this trade here. Is first things first, we got a green background. The bulls are in control. The bulls are in control. Second thing is we have bright green candles. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. Remember, your Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data, not to price and direction, meaning what does that data look like underneath the hood? Okay, very, very important. What does that data look like underneath the hood? Is there a ton of buying data? Is there a ton of selling data? Is there a ton of indecision data? Like what are we looking at here? It's going to color your candles to that data. Bright green is your strongest upside candle. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. Right now we got bright green candles, tons of up confidence arrows. Love seeing that. Look at this thing push up. We're in 2 contracts of ES. Price is above the blue line. We love to go long when price is above the blue line. This is the Maverick guide. We love to go long when price is above the blue line. Guys, this is what a clear chart looks like. Maverick Trender is completely pegged to the top. When this line is pegged to the top and it can't go any further, we call these flat tops. This is showing massive strength and momentum. If it's a red line at the top, you're going down. If it's a green line at the top, you're going up. And we got this beautiful uptrend label. Another confidence arrow just pushing this beautiful bright green candle up. I love it. It's awesome. And then the Maverick Multi-X over here, 5 traders, so think of T1 through T5, 5 traders all voting every single tick across 6 time frames. Now you can set these time frames to whatever you want. You can actually add a 7th time frame, but instead of having 6 charts on your screen and it's hard enough trading 1 chart. Why do you want all these charts all over your screen? Personally, I just like my Maverick Multi-X up here in my right-hand corner, nice, neat little package. You can actually collapse it down to 1 row, but all 5 traders have a completely different style and preference, and they're all looking for different things. And when they agree on the 1 minute that we're bullish, if they agree that on the 2 minute we're bullish, the 3 minute we're all bullish, the 5 minute we're all bullish, and so on and so forth, this is called stacking probability, okay? Green background, bulls are in control. Bright green candles, your strongest upside candle, data candle. Maverick Trender pegged to the top, green. And then all 5 traders voting bullish across 6 time frames. Folks, sounds like an A+ setup to me. So what the Maverick Radar down here is doing, this is the ultimate trading assistant. Have you ever gotten into a trade, you thought it was going to go in your way, you jump in and you get stopped out, and then you go back to review the trade and you're like, what the heck was I even thinking? What was I even seeing? Well, let the Maverick Radar be your eyes. So the Maverick Radar is going through all the ingredients we like for an A+ setup or a B setup, and it's checking those points off. So on ES right now, it's giving me a green light on the Maverick AI Pro, the bright green candles. It's giving me a green light on the Maverick Multi-X. All 5 traders are voting bullish across 6 time frames. It's giving me a green light that price is above the blue line. Remember, we like to go long when price is above the blue line and short when price is below it. Maverick Trender is pegged to the top, checking that box off, and the bulls are in control. And then we have this beautiful qualifier in here. We have this qualifier in here that is, pretty complex formula. It's to keep you on the right side of the tracks. And right now, folks, I got an A+ set up to the upside on ES, and I got an A+ set up to the upside on NQ. All right, so I'm sticking in this thing. I have my stop loss a little far off because I feel like it blocks the P&L on here, especially if you're watching YouTube on your phone. So I move it down here. ES moves pretty slow, so I'm not worried about this thing. If this was NQ, I'd probably move to break even right now just to protect my position. But ES moves so slow that I'm not worried about that. We have about 6 minutes to market open. And as long as we continue to have bright green candles, as long as we continue to have bullish voting across the board on the Maverick Multi-X, all 5 traders are voting bullish, Maverick trenders staying pegged. I mean, I'm going to stick with this thing, okay? I'm going to stick with this thing, and let's see where it goes, okay? But this, folks, is clear vision. There's not a lot of confusion on this chart. I could show this chart to my mom and she'd probably pick up on the green colors and go, it's probably going up, right? So listen, if you want the ultimate trading assistant down here, giving you A+ setups, telling you when it turned into a B setup or when you have no setup. If you have no setup and you're about to take a trade, you better think twice, right? Come check us out. All right. We're heading into the final days of the Maverick Ultimate Edge bundle, which includes the Maverick radar in it. We are going to be raising the price. So just FYI, because now all our indicators, even the Maverick radar, is available on NinjaTrader and TradingView. And with the Ultimate Edge bundle, you get a license for both. We know you guys use TradingView and NinjaTrader, a lot of you guys, so we give you a license for both. So if you want clear vision, if you want the ultimate trading assistant, if you want what I believe is edge in the market, come check us out. Again, never financial advice. Do your own research. Come read what our traders are saying. There's never a guarantee in these markets. But man, oh man, these tools we are having fun with. Look at this. Look at it push up. And the whole time, I'm cool, calm, and collected because it's a bright green candle. It's our strongest upside candle. Even when it was retracing, I still have bright green data underneath the hood. And I really haven't lost my A+ setup on my Maverick radar, okay, which is putting together all of these ingredients, okay? So listen, again, come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.